The Blue Planet. Our world. Habitat of humanity. 2/3 is covered with water. The water gives us the power of life. We should cherish and protect it. There are unimagined resources in our oceans. Subsea installations for oil and gas production provide us with vital energy. Now, our vision is to enable subsea systems to operate more sustainably and safely. Operators are looking for innovative technologies to minimize the environmental impact and increase productivity. Next, carbon capture and storage. We're sending carbon back to where it came from. This means subsea and beyond. Wind turbines will provide renewable energy to produce green hydrogen. Scaling up the energy transition to many other industry sectors. To achieve these goals, we are developing disruptive innovations like the subsea valve actuator SVA-R2. With this new electric system, subsea installations now, next and beyond will operate more efficiently, safely and with significantly less environmental risks. This means, in total, more sustainably. Have a look at the disruptive features of the innovative subsea valve actuator SVA-R2. The complete electric actuator is as small as a hydraulic cylinder. It has a fail-safe system with field-proven springs. It reliably operates valves with the power of a subsea sensor. Standard interfaces ensure seamless integration. It is perfect for use in sensitive ecosystems. The new SVA-R2 saves energy, carbon and fluid. Let's make the world better. Now. Bosch Rexroth.